Book of Heaven, Volume 11, August 20th, 1913. Trust, simplicity, and disinterest for herself are necessary for the soul who lives in the divine will. This creature is the life, the blood, the bones of Jesus. While I was praying, I saw my always lovable Jesus within me, and many souls around me who were saying, "Lord, you have placed everything in this soul." And stretching out their hands toward me, they said to me, "Since Jesus is in you, and with him all goods, take and give to us." I remained confused, and blessed Jesus told me,
"My daughter, in my will there are all possible goods, and it is necessary for the soul who lives in it to be in it with trust, operating as the owner together with me. Creatures expect everything from this soul, and if they do not receive, they feel defrauded. But how can she give if she does not operate together with me with full trust? Therefore, trust in order to give, simplicity in order to communicate herself to all, disinterest for herself, to be able to live completely for me and for her neighbor, are necessary for the soul who lives in my will. So I am."
Then he added,
"My daughter, it happens to one who truly does my will as to a grafted tree. The power of the graft has the virtue of destroying the life of the tree which receives the graft. So, one can no longer see the fruits and the leaves of the first tree, but those of the graft. And if the first tree said to the graft, 'I want to keep at least a little branch for myself, so that I too may be able to give some fruits, and make everybody know that I still exist,' the graft would say, 'You have no more reason to exist after you have submitted yourself to receiving my graft. Life will be all mine.' In the same way, the soul who does my will can say, 'My life is ended. It is no longer my works, my thoughts, my words that will come out of me, but the works, the thoughts, and the words of the one whose will is my life.' So to the one who does my will I say, 'You are my life, my blood, my bones.' The true and real sacramental transformation takes place, not by virtue of the words of the priest, but by virtue of my will. As soon as the soul decides to live of my volition, my will creates myself in the soul, and as my will flows in the will, in the works, in the steps of the soul, she undergoes as many of my creations. It happens just as to a pyx full of consecrated particles. There are as many Jesuses for as many particles, one for each particle. In the same way, by virtue of my will, the soul contains myself in her whole being, as well as in each part of it. One who does my will fulfills the true eternal communion, and a communion with complete fruit."